Hey, you also face this error in update command in MySQL Workbench. Now solve this error. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Hi, I am Sanket Bhamre, and in this video we discuss about how to resolve this update command error. So you simply click on edit. Now click on references, and here you click SQL Editor. Scroll down, uncheck this box, click OK. Now time to restart your MySQL Workbench. Now here I show you it's properly work or not. So I write a command. And now time to execute this query. And you can see here our update command issue resolved and it's work. I hope so you like this video. Please make sure to subscribe my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.